Imagine holding in your digital wallet not just a cryptocurrency or a digital payment, but an actual sovereign and fully recognized form of the Iraqi dinar, directly issued and backed by the Central Bank of Iraq itself. This is not a test run or a theoretical concept anymore. The Central Bank of Iraq has officially pulled back the curtain on the digital dinar, and the implications of this move are so profound that they threaten to rewrite the entire economic future of Iraq overnight. For decades, those following the Iraqi dinar have been waiting for a single event, a revaluation, but what is unfolding now is far more complex, far more sophisticated, and ultimately far more powerful than a simple change in exchange rate. This is a complete systemic overhaul from the inside out. The announcement of the digital dinar is the central bank's masterstroke, a strategic maneuver designed to leapfrog decades of financial stagnation and isolation in one fell swoop. Think about the current challenges with the physical dinar, the difficulty in international trade, the reliance on the US dollar for major transactions, the opacity in financial dealings that has long been a barrier to global trust. The digital dinar, by its very architecture, is engineered to dismantle every single one of these barriers simultaneously. It represents a level of transparency that the Iraqi financial system has never seen before. Because every unit of the digital dinar can be tracked, authenticated, and verified on a secure digital ledger controlled by the central bank. This eliminates counterfeit concerns. It drastically reduces the potential for corruption and money laundering, and it provides the central bank with real-time, undeniable data on the flow of its own currency. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a quantum leap in monetary control and oversight. For the first time, the CBI will have a crystal clear, instantaneous picture of its monetary mass, allowing for precision-based economic policy that was previously impossible. But the real story, the one that should make every global investor and every Iraqi citizen sit up and take notice, is how this digital dinar acts as the essential key to finally unlocking the gates to the global financial arena. The world's banking system today operates on a digital, interconnected network called SWIFT, and through correspondent banking relationships. For years, Iraq's presence in this network has been hampered by compliance concerns and a lack of trust. The digital dinar changes the entire compliance paradigm. When Iraq engages in cross-border trade using its digital currency, it can provide its international partners with an immutable, trustworthy record of the transaction, satisfying the stringent anti-money laundering and know-your-customer requirements that have been a persistent roadblock. This paves the way for the Iraqi dinar to be used and accepted in international settlements, moving it from a largely domestic currency to a potential player in regional and even global trade. This direct integration is the missing link that the revaluation theory has always needed, a mechanism for the dinar to have a legitimate, structured, and trusted pathway to a higher international value. The digital dinar is that mechanism. It is the foundation upon which a new, stronger, and globally integrated Iraqi economy will be built, and it is happening right now, setting the stage for a financial transformation that will be felt for generations to come. The journey from the current state to this new digital future is not an abstract concept. It is a meticulously planned transition, with the digital dinar serving as the central pillar of Iraq's monetary policy leading up to 2025. This timeline is critical because it aligns with the nation's broader goals of economic diversification and infrastructure development. The introduction of a central bank digital currency, or CBDC, is the CBI's direct response to the global shift away from cash, but with a very specific national purpose. Internally, the digital dinar will modernize the entire domestic financial ecosystem. Imagine citizens being able to receive government salaries, subsidies, and pensions directly into their digital wallets instantly, reducing bureaucratic delays and ensuring funds reach the intended recipients without leakage. It will enable seamless and secure digital payments for everything from utility bills to supermarket purchases, fostering financial inclusion for the millions of Iraqis who may have a mobile phone but limited access to traditional banking services. This widespread digital adoption does something incredibly powerful. It creates immense internal stability for the currency. A currency that is widely and easily used within its own borders for all facets of daily economic life is a strong currency. It increases the velocity of money, stimulates economic activity, and builds a deep, liquid domestic market for the dinar. This internal stability is the bedrock upon which external strength is built. You cannot have a strong international currency without a strong domestic one first. Furthermore, the technological infrastructure required to support the digital dinar will force a rapid upgrade of Iraq's entire financial technology landscape, spurring innovation in the private sector and creating a new tech-savvy generation of entrepreneurs. This is not just about money. It's about building a 21st century digital economy from the ground up. The transparency it injects into the system will also attract a different kind of foreign investment, not just speculative currency investment, but long-term, stable foreign direct investment in Iraqi businesses and infrastructure projects. International companies looking to invest billions require certainty and transparency in the financial system. They need to know that their capital can move efficiently and their profits can be repatriated securely. The digital dinar provides that certainty. It signals to the world that Iraq is serious about joining the international financial community on modern terms. This boost in investor confidence is the catalyst that can supercharge the Iraqi economy, creating a virtuous cycle of investment, growth, job creation, and increased national income. The digital dinar, therefore, is far more than a new payment method. It is the central nervous system for a new Iraqi economy, designed to create internal strength and project external credibility, making the dream of a globally recognized dinar an inevitable reality rather than a distant hope. So what does this all mean for the long-awaited revaluation? The connection between the digital dinar and a potential change in the dinar's exchange rate is not just correlational. It is fundamentally causal. The historical exchange rate of the Iraqi dinar has been a product of decades of conflict, sanctions, and financial isolation. A revaluation in a vacuum, without a supporting financial structure, would be unstable and potentially disastrous. The Central Bank of Iraq understands this better than anyone. The digital dinar is the necessary structural reform that creates the conditions where a significant adjustment to the exchange rate becomes not only possible, but logically imperative. Think of it this way. The current exchange rate is like a price tag on an item that has been stuck in a dusty, inaccessible warehouse. The world knows the item exists, but it can't easily see it, verify its condition, or transact for it. The digital dinar is the process of moving that item into a gleaming, global, transparent showroom with digital price tags and a seamless checkout system. In that new context, the price tag can be reassessed based on the item's true, visible value and its new accessibility to a global customer base. The transparency of the digital ledger will eradicate the black market exchange rates that have historically undermined the official rate, unifying the currency's value across the entire economy. As the digital dinar facilitates greater international trade and investment, the global demand for Iraqi dinars will naturally increase. Basic economics dictates that when demand for a finite asset increases, its value rises. The CBI, with its newfound precise control over the monetary supply, can manage this transition expertly, preventing inflation and ensuring a smooth appreciation of the currency. The goal is not a speculative spike, but a stable and sustained increase in value that reflects the true strength and potential of the Iraqi economy, its vast natural resources, and its strategic geographic position. The introduction of the digital dinar is the clearest signal yet that the Central Bank of Iraq is laying the groundwork for this new era. It is the most significant monetary news to come out of Iraq in this generation. This is no longer about waiting for a single announcement from a hotel in Baghdad. It is about witnessing and understanding a comprehensive, multi-year strategic plan unfold in real time. The pieces are being moved into place with deliberate and expert precision. The digital dinar is the cornerstone of that plan, and its successful implementation is the final, crucial step on the path to a revalued, respected, and globally integrated Iraqi dinar. The shift is no longer on the horizon. It has already begun. Now I want you to do something crucial. Do not let this information just sit with you. The entire financial world is slowly waking up to this reality, but you are now ahead of the curve. Your understanding of this strategic move separates you from 99% of other observers. So your call to action is this: engage with this information deeply. Go down into the comments section below and share your perspective. What aspect of the digital dinar's implementation do you think will be the most transformative? Let's build a community of knowledgeable individuals who understand the depth of what is happening. Furthermore, if this analysis provided you with a clarity you didn't have before, then you need to share this video. Share it on every social media platform, in every investment group, and with every person you know who has an interest in the future of global finance. We are at a pivotal moment in economic history, and it is through sharing truly original and well-researched information that we all become better informed. So like this video, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth breakdowns you won't find anywhere else. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single update. And most importantly, take that knowledge and spread it. The conversation about the Iraqi dinar has just been permanently upgraded, and you are now a part of it.